I just happened to be doing some tidying up and I found this old suitcase full of cash. So you know what? I thought, why don't we give it away to one lucky trades business owner? Hi, it's Joseph Valente here, and I'm going to be giving one trades business owner the chance to win £10,000 in cash. And all you've got to do is turn up to our next Discovery Day. Now, you've probably seen back in January when we do a competition, we go big. I am here with Ethan from Alpha Electrics. He's just come to collect his new van, the Transit Custom, that we put on offer for a big competition in January. 10 grand to fuel the growth of your organization. And on top of that, no matter what happens, you're also going to get a £100 Amazon voucher just for showing up. We're making it super attractive for you, and this month is the month to do so. So click on the link below, follow the steps, take a day out of work, and maybe you'll be going home with this cash flow.